The Audi e-tron and Tesla Model 3 are the only all-electric vehicles to earn an IIHS 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award. Two all-electric vehicles and one hydrogen fuel cell vehicle recently earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest award, the Top Safety Pick Plus. These include the Audi e-tron, the Tesla Model 3, and the Hyundai Nexo. In order to earn an IIHS 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award, a vehicle must have good ratings in all of our crash tests, be available with a headlight system that also rates good, and a front crash prevention system that earns an advanced or superior rating. The structure of the Tesla Model 3 held up reasonably well in our driver's side small overlap crash test. The only indication of an injury risk was a slightly elevated force on the dummy's lower leg. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 earned a good rating in this test. Our recent evaluations show that some vehicles with a low carbon footprint also offer state-of-the-art safety.